Welcome back to the real crypto space. Today's video is going to be on the governance token of shopping.io, also known as Gspi.
Welcome back to the real crypto space. As you guys know, this is not financial advice. We are going to be going through the governance token of shopping.io. We've previously gone through shopping.io, but this is the governance token, so they're not exactly the same thing.
So just from looking here, this is right now, in my opinion, I'm not saying this isn't financial advice as Hamza just said, but perfect time to be buying in. Personally, yesterday or the day before, I bought in around $6.10, something like that. But if you look at the market cap on here is incorrect, but on Coingecko it's also 5.9 million. So we're going to go off 5.9 million, which is a very small market cap, especially for this kind of price. But if we look at its all-time high, it was $51, I believe. $56, and that is very high comparing what we're. So there was a 10x if it does go back to that all-time high. But how much money do we need to flow into GSPI for it to break its all-time high? As you can see, it was back in April, so therefore we'll not be able to calculate the all-time high. But there is ways to figure that out, and that would be considering it's 5 million right now at $5, so therefore it would be about 50 million. $56 million, $57 million at $56. So therefore we would need another 45 million or so, $47 million to flow into the market, to flow into GSPI for it to break that all-time high. And $57 million isn't actually too much considering the whole market cap of crypto is 2 trillion or more now. So it can happen. It's just long term. But if we look at the volume, it's $700,000. But I think it's definitely a good buy time right now, as people in the long term are now losing faith in it, maybe, as it's just been dropping and dropping and dropping since April. As you can see here, it's just been dropping and dropping and dropping. But patient holders, people that know the actual fundamentals, will keep holding. And yeah, let's actually get straight into the video of what GSPI does.
So as you can see on our website, GSPI is a token, the governance token of shopping.io. And also holding GSPI will allow you to vote on proposals created by the community. So basically whatever proposal that the community have made, you can basically be a participant and vote for what you would like, which is good since it uses our thoughts and what we want instead of just seeing what shopping.io wants to incorporate. So it uses our ideas to incorporate new projects basically. And as you can see, holding GSPI will also allow you to propose ideas, plans, or solutions that will be voted upon by the community to help guide the future of shopping.io. GSPI will be the first ever governance token on the Binance Smart Chain. So if you are using MetaMask or Binance Smart Chain or Binance whatever, you can then start trading GSPI within their token. And also they have GSPI and SPI benefits will be symbiotic in nature and will not interfere with either of their unique utility benefits.
As you can see here, we cannot connect to the shopping.io club, which is where you'll be able to stake your tokens. But you'll actually be able to stake GSPI, but it's 15% APY, time is limited for 30 days, and it's capped at 40,000 GSPI. And you'll be able to do this on qcoin.com, but I believe you're also able to do it on shopping.io/club, but please correct me if I am wrong. That is it for this video. I hope you have enjoyed, and if you have, please make sure you press that like button and also press that red subscribe button. It really helps us out. And yeah, have a lovely rest of your day.